USC, 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 USC. Yeah, as soon as you get it. Yeah, Ty. Yeah, Colin.
Come on, Colin. Chili.
That's cut right. We can't call for this like that. So we don't have a service? No. Alright.
Oh! Let's go, Cole! Fuck him up, Pack! Yeah, Jake, get down there, Dark!
Oh.
Let's pull Johnny!
Jay, stop standing right in front of me.
Feel that, Brock! Hey, everybody talking to somebody! Everybody talking to somebody! Right now! There you go, Brad. Yeah! Yeah! Hold your three! Go!
That's all I felt our first time.
Go on, Britt!
Yeah!
There you go, get it back! Flat!
Oh, that's going out. Wait. That's out. You could have graded that. I would have killed myself.
What an idiot! Yeah, come on!
Look, come on, man.
Why don't we do that in practice? No, we do that. I do it in practice. Hey, we gotta have a greatest field, man. Yeah, Brad!
Nice, Brad.
Pick up 86!
Yeah, Noah.
Someone go. That's it, Isaac. He's looking. Oh! Come on, Colin. Left!
Oh.
In it! Brock, I'm talking to you! Jackson, get back! Noah, in your ear! Hey, Brock, I'm in your ear! Hey, Connor, come back!
Deep!
God damn it! Hey! Callahan. Oh my God! Get out of there! Brock back up!
You took my deep cut, asshole.
Hey, Brad, left!
No, I didn't. Fuck you.
Go, Jackson, go!
I faked deep. I didn't actually go deep. Shit.
Brock, middle! Recover, Dark! Cuts. Unless there's somebody that like Chris. You cut Brad? No. Come on, Danny. Yeah! Oh my God!
2-2. He's dead.
Ty behind you on right. Ty right.
Take eight.
Find that. Yeah, find it.
Ty.
Kirby, that's you.
That's Carter.
Kirby, 99. Ty right.
Go behind.
Curve right. Curve, yes. And release.
Coming in two.
Yes, Curve, that's it, Curve. Curve here, Curve in. Yes, Curve.
Otherwise, Curve in.
In, Ty.
Jay, still that, Jay.
In, Ty.
Gotta get there. Hey. That'll work, Carter.
Why is this bug on my camera?
Dylan left. Yes, Curve. No. Right, Kirby. Yeah.
Get Danny. It's my cat.
Hey, go back. Out.
Good. Clear.
Others.
Yep, he's going that way.
Hey, Tyler back's an excellent.
Oh, watch this guy with the hammer.
Ty right.
Coming in. Get there, Ty.
Time to set up. Yeah, we don't like that tech.
Off the wall.
Oh!
Go, Brad.
Come on, Brad.
Damn it, Brad.
Not a come to he did. That went up like 2 seconds earlier. That's really good.
Watch him, Danny. Watch him. Danny left. Back.
Danny, you're chilling. You're chilling.
Crash left!
Brad, why'd you go?
Danny left.
Point, Carter.
Danny, coming in.
Oh! Come on, Brad, left, Brad!
Hey, pause him active.
Yes. David tight.
Crash right, Johnny. Left, Johnny.
David tight, 21. Swing it.
Colin, not too much. Danny's got that. You're crash left. Seal.
Yeah, let's go, Carter!
Let's go. Get that up. All inside. Inside. Nice, Jay Frizz. Nice, David. Shake it off, David. Shake it off. Yes, Danny. Fill the empty space. Hey, Brad. Coming in. Danny, one left. Get there, Colin.
Yeah.
Lock him down, Walker. Inside. Hold on to it, Noah.
Calculated.
Hey, cut. Yeah. Come on, Connor. Seal. Hey, no round. Yeah, Walker.
Bill!
Yoda. What up, cuzzo?
Yo. Oh my God. He scored. To make it 4-3, I think. It's 4-3, right? Wait. Holy shit. Oh, fuck, we're playing Frisbee. It's 4-3, right? I can count. I passed math.
Field also is.
Damn, that boy kicked up. What the hell?
Hey, Patrick, out wide. Here.
Yeah.
Hey, Chili, 100%.
Turf monster.
Daniel, get a tall guy back. Get seven. Up on Russ. Nice.
Catch.
Look at Noah. Call your three.
That's Brad. Good work, Brad. Brad's my goat.
USC! Don't do too much! We know what we want to do! Adam's going nuts. Man's going crazy. Strike.
Ooh!
Russ, up line.
What the hell?
That was,
Oh my god. Oh my god.
oh my lord. Damn.
Check this.
Oh my god. Oh. Hit that shit, hit that shit. Hit your dance, hit your dance. Oh my god.
That's all I got.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So I sent it as the gif of the fat guy just fucking hitting that shit.
Fat guy hitting it, yo.
Bro, we used to make like fucking just shit posts
Brad
of
in.
our profile
Yeah, Brad.
pictures.
Yes, Brad.
That was the dumbest shit. No,
Before I
we
knew
ne-
what posting was.
Back up,
Yeah.
Brad. Yeah.
no, we knew what it was. We were advanced for
You're hot, Colin.
time.
Okay, David. Brad, stay middle. Stay middle. Seal. Yes.
Jay, get out of the fucking way. Thank you.
Brock, no around.
God damn it. Alright, never mind.
Yeah.
Good D. What the hell?
That is a violation.
Good work, guys.
That was
Punt.
most definitely a punt. That's a good
Good punt, good punt.
Most definitely a punt.
David, I'm in your ear.
Hey, Brad, I'm in your ear.
From
Brock, I'm talking to you. Brock, I'm talking to you.
Yeah, again. Nice.
Brock, 13. Brock, 13. Oh,
Come on, Colin. Come on, Colin.
You want to what?
yeah. Hey, boys.
Oh my lord.
Go to work, guys.
We're trading back and forth. So
Yeah, you beat us the first time we played. We won a section.
So now it's our turn again. And then maybe in finals you guys can do this.
Okay. Okay. I mean, if that's what you propose. Going, how's it going?
We got a final? What?
Yeah, tomorrow there's finals.
Yeah, the top two from pool play.
I didn't know that.
Top 2 with best records.
Yeah.
Going, Connor, going.
You learn something every day.
It's on the schedule.
I didn't read the fucking schedule, Jay. Who do you think I am?
Isaac, help! Yeah, David!
Oh yeah, that was sick.
Hey, call it! Call it! Hang there! Poach!
Yeah. Hit him.
Come on, Brock.
He's in.
Line's in.
Oh.
Kelly, you got Russ.
That was scary.
Yeah, no.
Hey!
That's another one.
There you go. In. Tie back. There you go. In. There you go.
I'm not
Tie back
talking
left, tie back left.
because I feel like if I talk, I'll fuck it up.
Take him, Colin. Tie in. Tie 7.
One behind side. Go, Colin. Sideline side.
Tie left. There you go. Tie back.
Tie back. God damn it. Moose just got a D right in his mouth. You know what I'm saying?
It tasted yummy.
Where the hell? You can't even see it, I don't think.
Stupid halftime.
I hate halftime.
And Moose. When he said eat the disc,
I didn't run the system.
Don't do it. Don't. do that shit.
Let's go, Dart.
So take off all your clothes, not you. It's getting high here. Let me suck all your toes.
Hey, watch it, Colin.
What a fake. You saw that? He went.
Hey, watch the sidelines. They like the sidelines. Hey, watch sideline.
Sideline. Sideline.
Watch Colin. Turn her out, yeah! Good deal. Head up. You're good. Isaac coming. Money, you're good. Y'all should be in there.
Hit that, Noah. Oh, yeah, Kerr.
Oh, you have Smith.
Good throw. Out, Colin. Jackson out. Out.
Upline Ross.
Oh, the hat comes off.
Dogs! Get down there, D. Let's go.
I don't like playing the 1 in the grids. Really? I'd rather play the 2-3.
Colin.
I don't have so long enough for it. Sure.
No round.
There you go, Jay.
Is this 2 feet? What is this? What are we playing?
I don't know. I can't tell you. 2-3-2 maybe.
It's like a fucked up 2v3.
It's like grits, but then they drop back into 2-3-2.
We got like 2 deeps and no wing.
I don't know why he did that.
Yeah,
I don't know why he did that.
We were gonna fucking cook.
Wide open. Yeah. All you gotta do is
You know, you gotta respect the veteran call. Absolute privacy for us, but it's okay. Go Cox.
He touched me.
Hey George, is anyone taking up your camera whenever you're not? When you're
No.
not? So nobody recorded my fucking sky.
Yeah.
George, get Jay to do it.
Okay.
My fucking sky on that dude.
Oh, yeah.
Then it's gonna fucking die even faster.
I'll tell you, George, that throw to you is not the look.
Yeah, I know. You threw it and I literally went, what the hell? Just out loud.
Well, you had him if I threw it to the right spot.
Yeah.
So. Hey, 99! What year is it? Hey, 15, 13.
Okay, never played an undergrad?
Yeah. So he has all his ability. Behind you, college.
College eligible at the same time.
That's interesting. Did he have what part of his thing was COVID year too and stuff?
No, he just
Didn't play?
yeah.
Okay.
Like
We had a guy that was like similar situation. He was like senior year, and then he like got COVID year eligibility from it, and then like grad student eligibility. Yeah. Yeah, what do you mean?
Nice.
Work, Dark.
So chilly, Doc. So chilly. Let's work it, baby.
Hey, back out.
boys. Yeah, Brock, you, Brock.
No, we're ready. Out, Brock. Strike.
Yes, Dylan. Hit him, man. Dylan.
good fucking shot.
Hey, chilly with it.
They're just going too fast.
I'm moving too fast.
You have to move faster. You get set up.
Yeah.
That's high.
Beautiful. Cards.
Say mine.
I get to play frisbee again.
Shut up. Sub him off.
Hey, like we said, knock down deep. Yeah.
Wasn't even an option.
Yeah.
Hey, same. Same. Hi. Same.
What is
10-6. 11-6.
Sweet.
I do that, but I take the doorknob out of the door and do that.
Time for another good hit.
Don't want to play anymore. We might need to call a rookie line.
I'm a rookie.
I'm George.
Let me just put one deep in myself. Hey! How do we get a veteran call? Vet call.
The game keeps on going like this. I'm saying we're gonna
Pussy at. Oh, he's blood.
pump fake.
Oh, shit. God, motherfucking damn.
Why'd you only pick this guy? I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Carter, watch the coach!
We have 3 or 4 games today. It's just 3, right? We got 3 or 4 games today.
Huh?
We got 3 or 4 games today.
Shit, dude, I hope 3.
I think it's 3.
I think we only have 3, yeah.
We only got 3 games today, right?
Yeah. This one, and we play Virginia Tech. We play Maryland and Virginia Tech. Doesn't Maryland suck, though? I don't know. They're 2 seed. Oh, wait, hope.
Nah.
No, they're good.
Yeah! Arby's, 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 Arby's.
Danny Dennis!
It was, we clapped them. It was pretty bad.
Keep it going,
We didn't play them Oh, really?
No run, Brock, no run! Oh, wait, never mind.
They weren't very good. And also, they only had like 12 guys.
Keep going. All the way around.
Watch the swing, Kirby. Watch the swing. Feel that.
Elmo, no break.
Yeah, Brad. All you have is 8. In, Brad.
No run!
In, Brad, left.
You calling him inbred? What the hell?
Yeah. Inbred. Watch the swing, Kirby. Watch the swing. Right, David. Hey, 23, Kirby.
Get it down the line.
There you go. Left back, Brad. Colin, pitch. Yes, sir. Right there, Colin. Yep, he's there. Boost it. Jackson!
Go. Hey, flat.
Hey, come swing. Here. Hey, come in, Jackson. Go to it, Jackson.
Yeah!
Let's go! Hey, good movement, guys.
We came out of nowhere.
Let's go, Elmo. Come on, baby. Hey, sideline. Sideline. Keep it going. Go. Hey, no round. Hey, look back at that. All the way around. Brad, middle. There you go. Release. Behind, Brad. Left, there you go. Kirby Steele. There you go. Yes, Kirby. No round. That's fine. Brad, find the net.
Yeah.
Brad, right in.
Left.
In.
Left.
Yep. Hey, Brad, off. 69.
Kirby left.
There you go.
Off the line.
Kirby left.
Hey. Yeah, Colin here. Hey, one behind you, Brad. Yeah. Good Brad, 69. Yeah! Hey, Colin. Chile!
Oh. Okay. Oh.
What the hell?
No, I don't think it's that.
You should not just call that.
No, but he is.
Toss up. I did not get a vacuum.
Definitely looks like a foul. And it's uncontested too.
Back like we're up.
Oh yeah!
Okay.
What the hell?
47 now.
Get there.
I'm 47.
Yes, Dylan. Yes, Dylan.
I love you, Dylan.
I hate you.
Oh yeah, Danny. Oh yeah, Danny.
Look at Trey.
Yeah, Dylan. Oh,
Damn it.
You're hot, 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 hot.
flat.
Hot dude, Trey, you're hot. Got him.
He definitely wasn't.
What? Okay. You can't bobble with this guy. I'm on. Thanks, guys.
Stall 2. Stall 3. Stall 4. Stall 5. Stall 6.
Find your dump.
Oh, nice, David.
Kill. Find your dog. Good, Noah.
The hell?
Yeah!
Damn!